Friends and my co-graduates, good day. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad. This day is a very special day for me, for classmates and schoolmates. We are about to take another step in our lives. We will move on to learn and grow. Today we celebrate learnings. Today we will rejoice and be glad. Welcome everyone. Enjoy us. Thank you.
Very good. Galing naman.
Thank you, Gabriel, for that very profound welcome address. Let us pay attention. Pay our
Very
ears back
good.
as I call on Maria Clarice B. Rubin,